Hi guys! So today for our act of kindness, we are going to shop our ingredients here at the local market. This is nourishing near Sintra in Portugal, and we are going to do our shopping here because we want to support the local economy, the local producers. And also, this allows us to get cheaper prices because we can negotiate and we are dealing directly with the producers. So let's do this! Okay guys, we have everything we need, so let's head to the kitchen.
Our parents are always there for us, right? Even without seeing them, we know they've got our back. With the help of my partner João, we will prepare their meals for next week so that they can enjoy their evenings without having to cook. Only healthy and nourishing food, of course. We hijacked the kitchen so they have no idea what we are doing.
Amigos, o que se passa aí? Eu ouvi agora um barulho, mas o que é que foi? O que eu ia fazer? Oh meninos, desculpem lá que eu ontem estive a limpar aí a cozinha, por amor de Deus! Vejam lá se isso fica como deve de ser!
Check out these yummy meals! Leave us a thumbs up if you like this idea and share in the comments below what kind of meal would you prepare for your parents. Create your happiness today!